Hey everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome back to Endless Beauty. Today we're gonna do a clothing try-on haul, and this is gonna be my Stitch Fix, and this is the box for April 2018. But it doesn't come every month. You can cancel the months that you don't want it to come, or you can schedule it way in ahead. Yeah, this is like the third box that I've gotten, and it's springtime. You know, I want to like get new clothing, obviously. I don't know what I'm gonna keep. The stylist really does get my personality, even though like my style is kind of like a little bit of everything. I do have a certain, like, it's more a little bit more urban, comfy, chic, but I like to be extra girly some days. I like to be extra sporty some days. I like to be extra grungy and rock some days, and sometimes I just like to mix it up. But yeah, a lot of things in this box are really cool, and there's like extras that you can now order. You can order underwear, undergarments, and socks, and like tank tops and everything that you can add on. And you can also leave little notes for your stylist so they can also pay attention to what you want. Like, I want to try out new flats, and I told my stylist that she could put flats, and she did that, and yeah, let's get into it. So this first dress right here, it's a maxi dress. I'm gonna get on this chair just so you guys can see. It is a maxi dress. It goes all the way to the bottom. Like, it's really cute. The material is very soft and like stretchy and kind of like nylon-y kind of. And then the top is a beautiful coral color with some like extra fabric right here, and it kind of like accentuates your boob and makes it a little bit bigger looking, and it kind of like cinches you in at the waist without, like, obviously it's like kind of loose and everything, but it looks like it's very form-fitting. It's really flattering. I'm not really into like too much print like this at the bottom, but I do love color, and I could definitely see myself wearing this to work, at the beach, like going out in the more warmer time. It's really beautiful, and it is kind of pricey though. This is the Jilly Taj two-fur knit maxi dress, and it is $78. For some people that might not be a lot. It just depends on your situation. For me, that's a lot. That is a lot. I usually don't splurge like this, especially with clothes, unless it's anything Rihanna, you know. All right, so this is the next outfit, and I really love it actually. This is the top, and the top is a beautiful indigo blue color with beautiful pink, light pink roses, and it's not full sleeves. I feel really comfortable with this. I get really bloated throughout the day sometimes, and I'm not comfortable with really tight things around my stomach just because it is my problem area. So I feel really comfortable in this. I also told her that I wanted more work tops. I feel like I wear the same things all the time, but I told her that I don't want polyester like material and like the satiny ish materials that a lot of blouses come in for work, because I don't like that fabric. I don't like it in the summertime. I feel like when I'm sweaty it gets all sticky, and I don't like it in the cooler times either. And also I get really cold at work. There's always AC, even in the wintertime. Sometimes there's still like cold air sometimes coming through. So I love to layer, and I just want to be soft and feel comfortable, and she really understood me because this top is very soft, very warm, but I can also tell that in the warmer time it can also feel very you know, light and flowy. In a size I think it's in a size medium, and it's $42. So that's kind of expensive, but I feel like this top is worth it. And then the jeans are level 99. So in my first Stitch Fix, I got level 99 denim. It's like a black jeans, and I kept them. They were $100, like $99, but I still love them. They fit really high-waisted. They're comfortable. They're not tight at all around my stomach. So I wanted another pair of level 99 denims, and she included this, you know, dark blue denim with some distressing, but there's no holes. It's just a little bit of distressing. on the side right here, and then also on the knee area. They're not as high-waisted as the other denim that I have. These are a size 8, which is like my comfortable size. It's not so high-waisted, but they're still comfortable. They're a little bit tighter than the black denim, a little bit more structured, but it makes the booty look good. I like how it fits around my thighs, around my like my calf area. It's a little bit loose. I have really small calves and small ankles, so they're not as skinny as I would like them to be. I like my jeans to be really form-fitting all the way down, but in the summertime, like spring and summer, when you start to roll up your jeans to give yourself a more like beachy bohemian look, it looks really, really cute and it has structure. But then when you roll it down, you see all this extra fabric right here. I don't really like that. And these jeans are $90, so I feel like I wouldn't get them. Like, they are nice and I do like them. All right, and the last shirt is this like just casual striped black and white top. The black is actually a little bit more, yeah, I think it's a little bit more navy, more indigo. It has a little crisscross action right here, and it doesn't go too low, so I really like that. I like that it doesn't go too low, so it's perfect for work. It's $28, and I checked the materials, rayon and spandex, so it's not, you know, cotton, like warm feeling like that other one was. I don't even know if it's cotton, but that one felt more cotton. And then this one is also see-through. Like, if you really, really push it, it's see-through. It's medium, but it's very, very loose and very, very, like, you know, just really stretchy. It falls a little bit longer. But I feel like I wouldn't give $30 for this, just because even though it could last a little bit longer than your regular, you know, top that you wear, I feel like you could buy like the same thing and it's like a throwaway top that like you get bored of and, you know, you wear a lot, but like it doesn't really stand out to me that much. But the flats come in this cute little pouch right here. They're actually red suede flats with like little silver studs. I probably won't keep this just because even though they're pointed flats and I love pointed flats and they're like a statement flat, I love the color, it's beautiful. I don't know, I feel like these are not going to be comfortable. Usually the flats I like come up a little bit more. They have like an ankle strap and everything. These look like they have padding though. They are $69 and they're a size 8.5, which that is my size, but in flat, and these look like they run big. I feel like I would go even to like a 7.5. Oh my god, they feel comfortable. But you know how when you put stuff on and you're like, oh my god, it's so comfortable, and then you actually wear it, you buy it and then you wear it for the whole day and you're like, oh, why did I buy this? They feel comfortable, but actually it's true, like they are a little bit too big and I feel like they're just not secure like in the middle right here. And also like there's a lot of space back here, so I feel like I would like them more in the 7.5 or even an 8. And I just want to show you some things. I probably won't keep this either, but they do have the extras and I just wanted to order the extras just to see them, but they are pretty expensive. I need a new bra, so I was like, oh, they have a bra. And I got a 38B, even though I don't even know if that's my size. Very light padding, not too much padding. It's called La Femme Bra and it's $60, which is kind of pricey. And I also got, I don't know why, but I ordered the socks and each pack is $12, and I don't know why I thought that if I ordered 3 of them they would all come in different colors, but they literally gave me the same colors of the 3 packs. But $12 for 3 socks, is that a good price? I don't know if that's a good price. I also ordered some thongs, but they're $10 each and I probably won't keep them. I just wanted to see them. I could probably get a better deal somewhere else, but I really do want to get like good quality underwear. I used to shop at Aerie all the time because I have an American Eagle gift card, but I feel like I'm gonna stop that because Aerie for some reason hasn't been making underwear that like works for me anymore. Yeah, those are the extras. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have ever tried Stitch Fix and what are your thoughts on it, and what did you think about the stuff that I got. So yeah, let me know what are your tips on that. what are the stores that I should be shopping at, or what do you recommend? I definitely do want to buy Fashion Nova in the future, just their jeans, because everyone and their mom has their jeans and it looks so good. Spring, and please subscribe and like if you enjoyed watching me. Bye.